bienvenidos, as you guys can see from the title. Today we're doing our Partners in Cream Project Pan. This is our last update until the finale, you guys. Finale. So I have my 6 products here. Everything you need to know about this project pan will be down in the description box. As I mentioned in other videos in the past month, I will not be bringing this project pan back next year. I've explained to you guys why, so if you want to know the reason why, I'm sure somebody will tell you in the comment section, or just check out my last video that I did, last update of this video, or of this project pan I should say. So I have my 6 products here, but first, if you're new, Alejandra, I go by Alex, eyeshadow enthusiast with the Dasher project pan. If that is something you want to continue to see on your feed, subscribe and join us, and now let's get on with this update. All right, guys, so you're here for Partners in Cream. Lord. All right, I did some damage and some not so much, but we're going to go with it. We're going to roll with it and do our thing. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is my Mally Shadow Stick. This weighed, or my goal for this is to finish this off. You guys, I don't know. This weighed last month 9.33 grams. Right now it's weighing 9.31 grams. I've only used this twice this past month. It's still here. I still love it. I still enjoy it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a very slow going product. If it was more of a neutral shade, this would have been done by now or close to being done. But I don't know how much I have left and I'm scared to roll it up yet again. So it's here. It'll still stay here until the finale. Next up, we have the Natasha Denona palette. This is the Love Glow cheek palette. My goal was to hit pan on the Glow Cream base. Show you a picture where I was before, and this is where we stand right now. You can clearly see there's a nice dip. There is a dip. I don't know. At this point, I've used this product over 60 uses. So yeah. I didn't hit pan because one of the face palettes, I've hit it in 60 some uses. The other one was 90 some. So I have a feeling this will be right smack in the middle. This is still really nice. I like it. I still enjoy it. It's what I'm wearing on my cheeks. And I will tell you that if I do not hit pan at the finale, I'm still going to use it to the end of the year because I want to at least try to hit pan, and maybe I'll be able to show this case as another pan in my collection. I do want to at least hit pan on this, so we'll see where I stand with it. It's not there yet, but it's being worked on. Next up is the MAC Oak Lip Liner. I will share with you guys pictures of where I was before. This is the lip liner that I'm currently wearing on my lips, and I've been wearing it with every single lip color that I have been wearing. It's a nice formula. You guys know, if I am gonna choose any lip liner formula, it'll be MAC because they last me a long time because I use them so much. Look how much I've used. Like, it's a decent liner, and I've used this all this year, so I'm getting there. I'm not sick of it. I line my lips every single time I do my lips. Even with this is the lip liner that I have. My goal is to finish it off. I don't think I'll finish it, but I might get pretty close. Up next is my Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Concealer. This is what I'm wearing on my under eyes today. I've been wearing it every single day under my eyes. This, I took out the stopper, so I didn't know how to share with you guys how much I had left. But this started to weigh 15.71 grams last month. It is currently weighing 14.34 grams. So I have used over a gram. You guys can see that I still, like, I'm scraping the edges, but there is so much in here. This, you get a lot. I took out the stopper out of this September 22nd because I did write it down, and I am still getting product out of this. Still, it has not dried up. It has not become clumpy, harder to use. It is still creamy. I can grab everything out of the window, like the edges of this, and I haven't even gotten anywhere near it because there's still a lot of product in here after you take out the stopper. This is worth the money. The $26, I believe. For me, this is worth the money. I do really enjoy this concealer. It does conceal without it making me look old. Lasts all day without making me look old. I don't know if it's the powder that works with it, but it's a beautiful, beautiful formula. I really, really do like it. So this may be a repurchase for me. I just got to get a lighter shade. So it's still in here, you guys. It's still in here, and I don't think I'll finish that by the end of this project pan, maybe by the end of the year, but not this project pan because there's so much still left there, and I don't use that much under my eyes. Then we had our Lorac primer, eyeshadow primer. So we started out here, we were right here, and now we are about right here. This I have a feeling should be done by the finale. This is getting there where I'm squeezing it rather hard for me to get it out. So I think I will be able to finish this off by the end of this project pan. So at least I might get another eyeshadow primer out of my collection by the end of this year. So this might be it. And the last product was this Fresh Lip Balm in Rosé. Gosh, this was so beautiful. I really, really do like the Fresh lip balms. They just hydrate my lips. They are really beautiful on the lips. I really like them. For a higher end lip balm, this is really nice for me. So I will share with you guys where I was before, and you guys, I finished this off. Completely finished it off. The product was the same color as the packaging, so it looks like there's stuff in here, but it really isn't. There's nothing. I've like dug my fingernail in there, grabbed the last bit that I possibly could. Beautiful formula, really liked it. And my daughter also liked it for her lips. She has rather large lips that get very cracked and bleeding, so I always have to put something on her lips in the wintertime, and this really worked beautifully on her lips. So I loved it. I was able to finish it. At least I got one more down out of my collection. All right, guys, so that brings me down to 5 out of the 6 products. I thought about bringing something else in, but because the finale is next month, there's no point. There's no point in me bringing anything else in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick with the 5 products that I do have in here and not replace anything for the Fresh Lip Balm. At this point, I think I'm content with the 5 products that are in here. These are gonna keep me busy for the next month, and I will concentrate on them. What do I think I'll finish or at least meet a goal on in the finale? I think the only thing I'll be able to meet a goal on is my eye primer. I think the concealer is going to be here for a while. The shadow stick will be here for a while. The lip liner will be close, but I don't think I'll meet it. And then the Natasha Love Glow palette, that'll be a surprise if I hit pan. If I do hit pan, that will be a big surprise. If not, I think I should be able to hit pan on that by the end of this year, definitely. So that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Anything you need to know, as I said, will be down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and for just cheering me on this whole year, cheering me on with this project pan and all the other project pans. So thank you guys very, very much. More videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.